Hey guys, just want to quickly show you how to rename file in batch. So for example, I have image files here and I want to put a prefix or replace certain words or put a suffix here. So this is a free utility without any ads or anything that I usually use to do this kind of job. You can find this software in many places actually. Let's try this one. Okay, so once you downloaded it, you can open the zip and basically just open the utility without doing any installation. So there's few features here: replace, remove, and insert. Let's try that one by one. Just drag the files to the window here. And then I want to replace my words here. For example, the original pattern is this one. I want to replace it with something else. So the great thing about this is also you can simulate how it will look like after the rename. So just in case you do anything wrong with that later, so if you are okay with the result, you can undo the simulate and then perform the rename. Yep, just like that, you have replaced the file names. Just now I did not select all. So what is being renamed is just the files that are being dragged to the window here just now. Okay, let's try the second feature, the remove. So I'll clear the list first. Let's remove a certain wording from the file name. So for example, I don't like the QR there. I can perform the rename and thus we are left with only the image underscore. You can do the same for insert, add position. So at position 1 here means the beginning of the file name. I'll put back the QR underscore with uppercase here and then we just perform the rename. You'll do the replacement. So this is what I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.